Hello, 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 hello. So, if my phone starts dinging a lot, ignore it. It's you guys. With the announcement of all of those things today, it's been a tad bit crazy. So, my phone is like all over the place. But we showed the $50 warmers today, and in it was the warmer that all of you guys seem to love. I just happen to have it, so we're going to show it. Are you ready? Where did I put the, oh, okay, losing my mind. We are looking at the bubbled warmer today, and I have all the colored bulbs. Now, I will say it is hard to see what it looks like when the light bulb is on, because it's such a clear warmer and it's very, very bright. So we're going to make do with what we've got. But here it is. Size comparison, my handy dandy can of frosting. That's what we're looking at. So it's about as round as a can of frosting on top. Much, much bigger in the middle. So like pear-shaped, I guess. It is bubbled in versus bubbled out. So bubbled in versus bubbled out. You can see how it's bubbled in on the inside. I hope that makes sense. So these are all pushed into the warmer. It is a purpley pink color. Tiny, tiny, tiny bit iridescent oil spilly looking. You know what I mean? Like when you look out the road and it's got that rainbow effect. I don't know what that's called. I always say it looks like an oil spill, but not a lot. It's just got a little bit of that up here at the top, and on a couple of like the little bumps, there's that little bit of an iridescent, but not much. It's mostly purple and pink. More purple than pink. But I have seen some that are pink, so they're all a little bit different, and their bubbled pattern is different. Like here's two, one long one, two. They're all different. They're not all the exact same, so that makes it kind of cool. We have a black cord, clear bottom, so that means the light's going to shine down through the bottom. Our dish is a clear purple tinted glass dish, and as we learned yesterday, we are at a number 4 on that, so it's a 4 cubed dish. I have my handy dandy little box light, dark room, so we're gonna shove things in there. But so ready? It's very bright. It is a bright one. If you do not want a bright warmer, then you do not want this one. It is bright. So like I said, hard to tell because there's nothing blocking the light for it, but see how talented I am today. So this is what we're gonna look like in the room. This is with the clear bulb. So very pretty. It's still purple color looking once it's on. You do not see that little rainbow spill pattern on here once it's on, but it's still purple. This one also does take all of the colored bulbs. So I'm going to give it a hot minute and wait for this bulb to cool down so I don't burn my fingers off. And then we're going to look at it with all of the colored bulbs. Because again, I don't want to burn my fingers off. This one has been very, very popular. It's very unique as far as how the bubbles go in versus the bubbles going out. I'm trying to keep my sanity. I'm trying to keep everything organized. For once in my life, I'm keeping it organized. So first up, we're going to do the orange bulb. Again, it's kind of hard to see because it is such a bright warmer, but we will stick it in the box and see if it changes. Ready? So here's your orange. It really brings out the purple color in the warmer. So that's what we're going to look like with an orange bulb. So that's orange. Again, I don't want to burn my fingers. Next up, we're going to do green. It will always come with a clear bulb unless otherwise stated. We've only had a couple warmers come with a colored bulb. So for the most part, it's going to come with a clear bulb. If you need a different color bulb, shout, they're cheap. Next up, green. Oh my gosh, I'm pushing the thing too hard. So there's your green. Now it's hard to see through the video, but standing here looking, it almost makes the bulb look like a turquoisey color. It looks a little bluish with the purple. And then here's what we're gonna look like inside. So hopefully putting in this box kind of helps a little because I'm in this big bright room. So now remember, being that it is a clear dish, even with a purple tint, whatever color wax you stick in it will have some effect on your colors. So, okay. I didn't wait long enough on that one. Red. Red is next. If I can screw it, there you go. Red. The red really makes the purple shine through, I think. So there's what we're gonna look like, red. I just don't want to drop it because that would be embarrassing. So that's what we're gonna look like with the red bulb in there. I'm waiting for one of these days to do a live and something's gonna go catastrophe wrong, like I'm gonna drop it while I'm doing a live and you all are gonna laugh and it's gonna be sad but funny. So next up is blue. Remember, blue and purple are a lot lighter in the dimmer, where purple is dimmer than blue, blue is brighter than purple, however you want to word that. But they are a nice change for people who want that light in their room, but not blinding light where it's going to keep you up all night. All right, so blue. So here in a big bright room, it's not super bright, but when you put it in the box, it's very pretty because I did this on my team page. Look at that. That's in a dark room. That's pretty, 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 super pretty. I like that. I like the blue. Now, it's hard to tell. Let's see. Okay. See that right there? At the bottom of the blue and the purple bulb, you can see, I don't want to say that the bulbs are painted because I don't think they are. However, they create colored light bulbs, because I don't know, I'm not a scientist. However, they create those colored light bulbs. For some reason, the blue and purple always have that ring around the bottom, but if I didn't point it out to you, you probably wouldn't have noticed it. It's not a big deal. All right, last is the purple bulb. And again, remember, colored bulbs come in 25 watt and 15 watt. So if you have a warmer and you want to know if it takes it, just shout. So here's your purple. Remember, super dim compared to the others, but again, huge bright white room with lots of windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows. So, all right, our makeshift dark room. That's pretty. What's that? Whatever the word is I use, ethereal, I don't know, whatever that word is. It's very pretty. So that's what we're gonna look like in a darker room compared to out here. So that is your bubbled warmer that you guys love so very much. It's super pretty. I'm glad I got it so that I can show you. Know, you can kind of tell from the pictures, but I wanted you guys to know it does bubble in. So it kind of gives it hand holders. Like I can hold it a little bit easier because it's got the bubbled in. It's like fit for your hand. Beautiful warmer. It really, really, really is. It's one of those that's going to light up a room, kind of like a statement piece warmer. It's crystal ice is another one that we have. The blue one that's clear like this, but it has angles. It looks like it was cut from crystal. It reminds me of like a piece of ice, like an iceberg. That's what it reminds me of. That one and this one together, I think would be just super pretty. So yeah, that is our bubbled warmer I wanted to pop on. I wanted to show you guys. Very unique, very pretty, very popular. So if you need this one, let me know. If you have questions about it, let me know. I'm always here. Always here. And if you need anything from Captain America, Groot, or Rocket, please shout. I only say that because Captain America comes out in 2 days. It comes out in 2 days. So we kind of have to have all of our ducks in a row by tomorrow so that I can attempt to grab it to you by Thursday. It's a killer price point. I mean, I expected it to be more. I really did. I expected it to be a lot more than what it is. So when I saw that price, there was that moment when I went, ooh. Like, I'm very excited at the price point, but I'm very scared for the price point because that means more people are going to purchase it and it's going to go a lot quicker. So if you are even remotely interested in, even in a tiny bit, but you don't know if you want to buy it, shout at me, okay? And we can talk about it because I think it's going to go quick. So, and we kind of have, like I said, we have to have all of our ducks in a row no later than Wednesday night, because Thursday I will be glued to my desk trying to make sure I grab these as soon as they come out. So let me know if we need to chat, and I'm gonna pack up all my stuff. So everybody have a good rest of your evening, and I don't think I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know. I have one more item. I know I have one. I have the new oils to share with you guys, and I have the brand new item. We had a new product launch, and well, we have two new products launching, but I have the one. So once we hit that, I will show you guys. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.